This is a little test to see how the AirPods sound. Do they automatically block out the AC in the background or not? So to note my thoughts, I think I bit off a bit more than I can chew, but I know I can do it. But it's very messy, and I'm really outlining the movement of the water. I think it's way too convoluted what I'm doing. I might have to get the eraser and take stuff out. But so far, we are at, I think, 10 frames of animation and an entire day of work. And I like where this is going, and I'm having fun. And right now, I've been focusing on these parts over here where the water splashes against the shore and also reveals more of the rocks that was not in the original. So they have to be drawn in. It's kind of what I'm doing. The white outline is going to be made prettier, I think. There's also going to be all the white foamy water from the waterfall, and there's going to be separate animations or particles or actors that are water falling down that you can walk behind on this path that then drifts. A cloud. There's a lot of shadow here from the rock in the game, not in the animation. Some of it is going to have to be separate because they have to be on top of the shadow. I also would like all this to be glistening. And I've been having a lot of thoughts about, you know, this isn't, I mean, this is the kind of stuff like you could do big animations even back in the 90s, but the reason they didn't was to save memory. But we don't have that problem too. And so doing something big like this, it's a great exercise in animation, but it's also kind of opening the door like thoughts like, what if a whole chunk of the map was an animation instead of little actors that are animations dotted all over the landscape, repeating themselves? It makes me wonder if someone has already done it. Obviously, there's full-length cartoon Dragon's Lair, which I never got into, but they look really cool. And it has kind of a stop motion effect like this. So I can always insert more frames and smooth things over a little bit. But water moving rapidly does have this quality of just randomness. I hope this comes out all right on the AirPods. Let's do some more animation.